Hey, I've got like 3 or 4 different guys that have people that come up from LA. They're pretty good. They're good buyers. You know what I mean? They buy a couple boxes. My one friend down in LA, not in LA, but he's got people coming up from LA like right now that want 3 boxes. You know what I mean? And then I've got my friend that's got somebody that wants a couple boxes, and I've got another friend that and I'm just wondering, can we use your services?
What type of services you talking about?
Just buying boxes to either depths or this year's outs or anything that you got going on to serve them up.
Oh, you mean if I can
They're
provide
totally
some?
straight.
If I can provide some flour?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They're totally straight. They're fucking hardworking guys. They're fucking. I've known these guys for 20 years. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, in all honesty, I'm not working with any depths or outs right now just because of how the market is. I'm just focused on top shelf indoor.
Is that what you are? Okay, okay.
Yeah,
That's good to know.
high end
All right.
exotics.
And that's what your distribution center does?
Yep.
Okay. All right. I didn't know that. And they can buy, is there a lot of them? Like, could you get a box of them or
Over the course of a month or
is there,
so.
is there? Okay.
It's not like
Okay.
they're just sitting in
Okay.
boxes, but they come out, half box or so at a time.
And different. Sure. Sure. I understand that. Okay. At least now I got an idea. You don't do the other market because there's just not enough money in it.
It's just been about the past 2 years. I haven't focused on any depths or outs just because of how crazy the market is. Like everyone's trying to like get the price down so low. Then the farmer's like pissed, and then it's like the buyer don't want to. It's always 50 cents too cheap or too high.
I understand that. I understand that. If my one friend wanted to get served up on some ends, then you could do that.
Potentially, yeah. Is he in LA or the Bay or where's he at?
Well, now that I know that that's what you do, I got other people that I can call.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because I'm just trying to work a little bit, things rolling. It's not the easiest thing out here in this market, you know?
Especially up that way.
Yeah,
It's getting crazy.
yeah, it is crazy. I will be in touch with you, and then I'll see if we can't get something rolling. Keep your family safe. That's the only thing that's important in this crazy world.
Oh, I know. Likewise to you too, and stay safe up there on the hill.